It's a very basic dance that gets you used to doing the rolling rhythm. It can be done to any rolling rhythm dance. So it like fits everything. All right, so now you're gonna start with the right foot going forward. Oh, wait, first let me tell you. So the counts go like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8 and a. Now, we don't step on all of those. So sometimes we just do like this. Step forward, 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 rock, recover, back, back. So let's do it again. Step forward, 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 rock, recover, back, back. And then you're going to sweep the left foot out. You're going to do 3 steps going back, back, sweep, back, sweep, back, sweep. Now the quick part, behind, side, cross, and a sway, 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 side, behind, side, lunge, back, back, lunge, back, turn a quarter. And then you start the next wall. So let me count it out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then you start over. Let's do it again. And it doesn't go much faster than that. That's about the speed. For this song, we're going to do it too. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're ready to do the next wall. Let's try it to the music called Rolling Rhythm. I'm going to do it. We're going to dance it to Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
I found a love.
Oops, starts right away.
For me.
That's a quick start. Let's do that again.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry my
Hope you enjoyed that one.